There is uncertainty among many of the nation's athletes following the removal of 4 events from the 2020 IAAF Diamond League calendar. Jordan Fort spoke with some of the athletes who say they are now facing a dilemma.
Following the IAAF's decision to remove the triple jump, discus throw, 3,000-meter steeplechase and 200 meters from next year's Diamond League calendar, athletes have started to speak out. 2 of Jamaica's most recent Diamond Trophy winners have seen their events cut from the program. Frederick Dakers, the World Championships silver medalist from Doha, says the decision to exclude his pet event, the discus throw, came as a surprise, especially because of how high the level of performances have risen over the last 2 seasons.
The discus was actually the hottest field in history because I think 5th or 6th place to 66. Normally 65 could guarantee a bronze medal. 66 was I think 6th. So in terms of competitive field, discus was really hot.
Another World Championships silver medalist, Shanika Ricketts, has also seen her pet event, the triple jump, cut from the program. The 27-year-old says the lack of television coverage has helped stifle the event. She says the triple jump final flew under the radar at last season's Diamond League because of how it was broadcast.
When the coverage started, basically they did a recap, so persons weren't able to see the competition. No one knew how exciting it was and that it was a ding-dong battle until the end. So I think what they can do is to be fair in the way in which they show each event.
President of the MVP Track and Field Club, Bruce James, says his athletes have also expressed concerns.
Yeah, a number of my athletes who do focus on the sprints are a little concerned about it because they would love to have the option to do either the 100 or the 200 or both.
But perhaps the athletes who will be most affected by the decision are the ones who haven't yet made the breakthrough. Basil Bingham was a standout at the junior level but hasn't yet made his Diamond League debut.
As an athlete from high school coming up, the standard for you is, aside from the World Championships and Olympics, is the Diamond League. And the young athletes now, they've seen people before doing it. Frederick is doing it. Travis and I have yet to make our Diamond League debut. So this was something we were really working towards and looking towards because that's a standard of earning. It also is the entertainment on the circuit.
And Ricketts says the changes have left the athletes in a quandary.
Honestly, we're still in a state of uncertainty. They speak of introducing the World Series next year for 2020. Next year is a big year for us. It's the Olympic Games. So going into next year, we just have to focus on the Olympic Games. I'm not sure what meets we'll have because no concrete information have been given about the World Series. Hopefully they have a lot of meets that we can participate in so that we'll be ready for the Olympic Games.
American 2-time Olympic triple jump champion Christian Taylor has launched an independent athletes commission as he leads the charge in trying to get the IAAF to reverse their decision. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sport.